Can you say mama?
Mama. Oh, he did earlier, I guess.
Can you say daddy?
Dada.
Can you say...
Cracker?
Cracker? Can you say cracker?
Gaga.
Can you say bye?
Bye-bye. Say bye-bye.
Say bye-bye. Or run around.
Say bye-bye.
Well, it's hard.
Say bye-bye. 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 Kind of hard when you don't have your shirt on to help you slide up, isn't it? I don't know how this one's gonna go. Oh, very good.
Can you sign fish?
Can you sign fish? How about, can you sign dirty?